Today we're going to be replacing the fog lights on an 09 Chevy Cobalt. There are 4 bolts holding on the dust cover. Using a 7mm wrench, remove all the bolts shown. Pull back the cover and locate the bulb. Twist counterclockwise and pull the bulb out. There are 2 clips on the side. Unclip and unplug it. This is our dual color yellow and white switchback LED fog lights. There are 2 sets of LED chips with different color coding. On the left the chips are white, and on the other side they are yellow. The LED bulb mimics the position of the filament in the halogen bulb, so it should have the very same beam pattern. The chunk that secures the bulb is identical, also the same for the H11 plug. To install, connect the connector and make sure the 2 sides are clipped. Now put the bulb in the housing and twist clockwise. Reattach the cover, and that's it.